BOBOVR S3 Pro battery strap. Listen, have you ever felt it? That pull, the irresistible draw of virtual reality. You put on the headset, the world melts away. You're there, truly there. But then, it happens. It always happens. A small icon, red, blinking, a warning, battery low. The immersion shatters. It's like a record scratch, a jarring interruption. The magic, gone. It's frustrating. Yes, frustrating. You're right in the middle of it. The climax, the crucial moment. And power down. It's a recurring nightmare for VR enthusiasts, a constant nagging worry, battery anxiety. It hangs over every session. A dark cloud. Think about it. The sweat trickling down your forehead, the lenses starting to fog, the headset feeling heavy and warm against your skin. You're pushing yourself, pushing the limits of the virtual world, but your body, and more importantly, your battery, are holding you back. This isn't the future of VR we were promised. This isn't the seamless, immersive experience we crave. Listen closely. This is important. The BOBOVR S3 Pro battery strap is not just a strap, it's liberation. Freedom from short battery life. The key to unlocking your MetaQuest 3 or 3S. Let's talk power. The B100 battery system. A massive 10,000 mAh capacity. Double the power, double the playtime, double the fun. And our Hot-Swappable design? Continuous play. No interruptions, but power isn't everything. Comfort matters immensely. That's why we've integrated a head air conditioning system. A gentle cooling breeze. No more sweat, no more fog, just pure immersion. 100 levels of adjustable airflow. You control the comfort. And we've refined the ergonomics. Flatter back of head design. An adjustable overhead bracket. A perfect fit. Maximum comfort. Even during extended play. The BOBOVR S3 Pro? Not just an accessory, a transformation. The answer to VR limitations, the key to unlocking your MetaQuest 3 or 3S. No more warnings, no more heat, no more compromises. Just pure, uninterrupted, immersive virtual reality. Upgrade your VR experience today. With the BOBOVR S3 Pro, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.